According to the Global Times, on February 11, Tesla held a ceremony to put its Megapack energy storage plant into operation in the Lingang area of Shanghai, marking a new stage in Tesla's business in China. This megafactory is the first of its kind built by Tesla outside the United States and the company's second in Shanghai. Tesla's Shanghai Megafactory plans to increase production this quarter, which will help Tesla expand into more markets, said Mike Snyder, Tesla's vice president of energy and charging. As the world shifts rapidly toward renewable energy, energy storage has become a key factor in ensuring grid stability. In recent years, the demand for large-scale battery storage systems has increased sharply, especially in markets like China, which is investing billions of dollars in clean energy. Seeing the huge opportunity, Tesla decided to expand its energy storage sector by building the Megapack factory in Shanghai. This is not only Tesla's first Megapack factory outside the US, but also marks an important step in the company's global strategy. With a capacity of 10,000 Megapack units per year, equivalent to 40 gigawatt-hours of storage capacity, this factory promises to help Tesla significantly expand its ability to supply large-scale energy storage batteries. In particular, manufacturing right in China helps the company significantly reduce production and transportation costs, and at the same time respond more quickly to the growing demand of the Asia-Pacific market. Construction of the Megafactory began in May 2024. The project took only 7 months to complete, setting a new record, surpassing the Tesla speed set in 2019 by Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory. Famous for groundbreaking production and delivery in the same year, the Megafactory covers an area of about 200,000 square meters, equivalent to the size of 30 standard football fields. Initially, the company plans to produce 10,000 Megapack units per year with a storage capacity of nearly 40 gigawatt-hours. With the official launch of the Megafactory in Shanghai, Tesla expects to increase its installed energy storage capacity by at least 50% in 2025 compared to last year. Why Tesla chose China? The reasons behind the calculated move. Tesla's decision to build its Megapack factory in Shanghai was not a random decision, but a carefully calculated move. China is not only the world's largest renewable energy market, but also has a leading lithium-ion battery supply chain, which significantly reduces production costs compared to importing from the US or Europe. In addition, the Chinese government is strongly promoting energy storage projects, aiming to reach peak carbon emissions by 2030 and be carbon neutral by 2060. This opens up a huge opportunity for Tesla as energy corporations, businesses, and even the Chinese government are all looking for more efficient energy storage solutions. If Tesla can capture this market, it will have a strong position in the global race for renewable energy. Another factor that made Tesla choose China was its infrastructure and policy support. Shanghai is China's leading economic center, with an optimized transportation, logistics, and supply chain system, making the production and distribution of Megapacks easier than ever. Locating the Megapack near Gigafactory Shanghai, the world's largest Tesla electric vehicle manufacturing site, also allows the company to make the most of its existing human resources, engineering, and technology, creating a more sustainable manufacturing ecosystem. The Megapack factory in Shanghai is not just a simple production expansion, but also a machine that helps Tesla reshape the future of the global energy storage industry. With a capacity of up to 10,000 Megapack units per year, equivalent to 40 gigawatt-hours of storage capacity, it will be one of the largest energy storage factories in the world. Compared to having to import from the US, Tesla can now provide Megapacks with lower production costs, faster delivery times, and more efficient response to the Asian market. So what is special about Megapack? Megapack is a large-scale energy storage battery that helps companies, cities, and national grids optimize the use of renewable energy. One of the biggest problems with solar and wind power is instability. The sun is shining during the day but not at night, or the wind blows erratically. Megapack is the ideal solution to store excess electricity during peak production times and release it when demand increases, thereby helping to stabilize the grid without relying on fossil fuels. Producing Megapack in China will not only help Tesla increase production but also create conditions for the company to participate more deeply in China's renewable energy ecosystem. Currently, the country is investing billions of dollars in solar, wind and smart grid projects. If Megapack can be integrated into this system, it will help reduce the load on the national grid, reduce electricity loss and optimize the performance of clean energy projects. Not only is it a technological step forward, The Megapack factory also opens a new era for Tesla in the energy industry. When the company not only focuses on electric vehicles but also wants to become a giant in the field of global energy storage. But is the Megapack truly revolutionary or just part of Elon Musk's ambitious business strategy? How Tesla is changing the game in the energy industry. More than just a battery storage factory, the Shanghai Megapack has a profound impact on the global energy market. As the world moves towards a low-carbon economy, demand for energy storage solutions like the Megapack is booming. Tesla's factory in China allows the company to scale up production, reduce costs, and increase the ability to deliver products to more markets, thereby accelerating the global transition to clean energy. China is currently the world's fastest-growing renewable energy country, leading in the installation of solar and wind power systems. However, one of the biggest challenges facing China is the ability to store and distribute electricity efficiently. Without a suitable storage solution, excess renewable energy will go to waste, while the grid will still rely on coal-fired power plants to maintain stability. Therefore, Megapack becomes an important solution to reduce dependence on fossil fuels, reduce carbon dioxide emissions and move towards a more sustainable economy. Tesla's expansion of Megapack production is also shaking up the global energy storage industry. Previously, Tesla could only supply storage batteries from factories in the US, making shipping costs to Asia-Pacific markets very high. With the new factory, Tesla can reduce product costs, making Megapack more accessible to governments, businesses and organizations around the world. This could force competitors to invest more in energy storage technology, creating a new race in the industry. In addition to the economic impact, Megapack also has important environmental implications. One of the biggest problems facing the energy industry today is the imbalance between electricity supply and demand, which requires the maintenance of coal or gas-fired power plants to ensure a stable supply. With the Megapack widely deployed, renewable energy can be stored and used when needed, reducing dependence on fossil fuels. This not only cuts carbon dioxide emissions, but also limits air pollution, bringing long-term health benefits to the community. Not only that, Megapack also plays an important role in responding to natural disasters. In recent years, many countries have faced severe power outages due to storms, floods, extreme heat or grid failures. With the ability to provide independent and stable energy, battery storage systems like Megapack can help ensure power supply in emergency situations, minimize damage and protect communities from risks caused by natural disasters. Is Tesla taking over the energy storage industry? A calculated expansion strategy. With the launch of its 40 GWh Megapack factory in Shanghai, Tesla has not only consolidated its position in the energy storage industry but also posed a major challenge to its competitors in the market. It is no longer just an electric car company. Tesla is gradually becoming a giant in the renewable energy sector, with ambitions to control a large part of the global energy storage market. One of Tesla's biggest advantages is its ability to produce Megapacks at a more competitive cost than ever before. Previously, due to its factory only in the US, Tesla had to bear high shipping costs when supplying storage batteries to markets in Asia and Europe. But by locating the factory in China, home to the world's strongest lithium-ion battery supply chain, Tesla can significantly reduce the cost of its products, making the Megapack a more attractive option for businesses and governments looking to invest in clean energy storage systems. Tesla's presence in the energy storage market not only benefits the company, but also directly impacts the global race for clean energy. When Tesla reduces its product prices, competitors such as CATL, BYD, LG Energy Solution also have to find ways to optimize their technology to catch up. This creates a domino effect, pushing the entire industry to develop faster, reducing production costs and helping renewable energy become more and more popular. Is Tesla betting its future on China? A risky but promising move. Tesla's decision to build its Megapack factory in China, a country with a complex political and economic landscape, is a calculated move, but it also carries many potential risks. There is no denying that China is the world's largest renewable energy consumer market, and is also a leading lithium-ion battery manufacturing hub. With the Chinese government's support for clean energy projects, Tesla can take advantage. However, there is no such thing as a free lunch. Tesla's heavy reliance on the Chinese market also puts the company in a risky position. The Chinese government is encouraging the development of domestic companies, especially in the energy storage sector. This means Tesla will face fierce competition from Chinese companies that already have a home field advantage. In addition, Trade tensions between the US and China are a factor that cannot be ignored. If the two countries impose trade sanctions, Tesla could find it difficult to operate its Shanghai factory or export its products to other markets. Is Tesla betting too much on China? Or is this a bold but opportunistic move to become the dominant player in the energy storage industry? The opening of the 40 GWh Megapack factory in Shanghai marks a major milestone for Tesla's ambitions in the energy storage industry. This could be a smart move, allowing Tesla to take advantage of China's robust supply chain, reduce costs, and expand its reach in the Asian market. However, the company also faces fierce competition from domestic companies, geopolitical risks, and US-China trade tensions. Is Elon Musk on the right track to energy dominance? Or has Tesla bet too much on China? What do you think of this strategy? Leave your comments below.